This is problem number 20 from that Unit L review packet. And actually, this problem is very similar to one of the ones from the Lesson Master sheet. Okay, so if you already did the Lesson Master problem that had to do with the curbs and was Mr. Jones and Mr. Kyoto and things like that, this is a very similar idea. Okay, it says residents pay an assessment or a tax based on their frontage along Washington Boulevard. Okay, so this time Washington Boulevard is the one that we care about. We care about how much space they have on Washington. What part of the total assessment is paid by the residents of each lot? Okay, so this time I have two that I don't know. I don't know A and I don't know B. Okay, C, I know this length, but I don't have a length up here, so I'm not able to set up a nice proportion. So I'm going to have to stick with these numbers to set up my proportion for these guys. Okay, so first I'm going to find lot A, and I'll just use the variable A for that. So I would do 56 over A equals 224 over 208. I'm going to cross multiply and divide all at one time. I end up with 52. Okay, so this footage here is 52 feet in lot A. For lot B, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to go right back to these numbers, okay, and I'm going to set up a proportion with these numbers. So this time I would say 112 over B equals 224 over 208. So this time I would do 208 times 112. I get 23,296. Divide that by 224, and I get 104. So this footage is 104. And again, because this question says what part of the total assessment, I want to do like a percentage. So I'm going to add together all of the footage along Washington Boulevard. 52 plus 104 plus 156 plus 208. And I get that there's a total of 520 feet. So then for resident A, for the residents in lot A, I would do 52 divided by that 520. That's going to be 10%. It's actually going to be 0.1, but remember that would change to 10%. So this is for lot A. For lot B, I would do 104 out of 520. And with 0.2, which is 20%. Lot C, I would do 156 out of 520. Get 30%. Oh, and I would bet this next one is 40%. Where am I going to put resident D? D would be 208 out of 520. Which is 0.4, 40%. Okay, that's all there is to that one.